इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्चुअली गिविंग फीडिंग एडवाइस, हम अभी तक उनका फीडिंग बंद कर देते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द डायरिया पेशेंट्स। और ये पुराने ज़माने में अर्ली सेंचुरी 19th सेंचुरी में पावर्स उसको कुछ समझ नहीं आती थी पॉटियाँ कैसे रोकनी है। उस ज़माने में वहाँ पे भी बहुत थी बैक्टीरिया, तो ही इंट्रोड्यूस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ, उसने कहा जी ये जो दही केला खिचड़ी आप देते हो, ये उस ज़माने में उन्होंने कहा जी आप केला खिलाओ, आप स्टार्च दो, आप ये जो है एमाइलेज रेजिस्टेंट स्टार्च लाइक ग्रोल, और बस उसको थोड़ी सी ब्रेड दे दो। और वो मरीज जो है वो मेल न्यूट्रिशन का शिकार हो जाता था, खिला खिला के उसको सब कुछ बंद कर देते थे। सो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द medieval concept of not feeding the children, एंटीबायोटिक्स भी ले रहे हैं, दूध भी आपने पतला देना है, कुछ ना देना है इसको, बस दही केला खिचड़ी देना, you know, okay, there is an age for that and then there is age for not doing that. So you don't actually do that to the diarrhea patients, because as you see in this cartoon everybody gives an advice, वो पॉटियाँ कर रहा है बच्चा, कोई कहता है ये ना दो, कोई कहता है खाना भी ना दो, कोई कहता है कुछ भी ना दो, सिर्फ एक अक्लमंद है तो वो कह रही है कि यार इसको क्लिनिक तो ले जाओ। So that everybody else has got their own opinion about it. Now, specific probiotic strains, they can contribute to both the prevention and therapeutic management of acute infectious diarrhea in children. Now, which infectious diarrhea? Most of this is viral diarrhea. जितने भी studies हैं, they're on the viral diarrheas. You can use it in other watery diarrheas, but जो bloody diarrheas हैं, really it's not very beneficial in the dysenteric patients. So there's a lot of trials. There's this trial again for treating acute infectious diarrhea. Again, when the Cochrane database system analyzed it, it was mainly the viral diarrhea like rotavirus diarrhea. So the the control trials on efficacy of probiotics, they're good, but they consistently show the benefit of mostly in two strains, Lactobacillus and Saccharomyces, and mainly in rotavirus. Now we have to accept that there are not a lot of studies. We are eating the lunch from certain other people today, but there are not a lot of studies to talk about the use of all these probiotics, but since they are the ones available to us, and we have demonstrated. Now my team uses a lot of probiotics in diarrhea, a lot of them, in abdominal pain, in infantile colic, in diarrhea. At least in the diarrhea we have found them really useful. So the ones which are available to you are useful. So whatever it is, the fact which is there is moderate, it's strain dependent, आप दे क्या रहे हो, it's dose dependent and appropriate dose दे रहे हो. The other thing is, अगर आप साथ में antibiotics दे रहे हो and then you're giving some bacteria, if you're giving them simultaneously, there's no point. You're actually giving the killer with the bug. आप साथ antibiotic भी दे रहे हो, साथ आप वो उसको bacteria भी दे रहे हो. So you have to be rational, so the dose is important. And it's also important that you start it early in the disease. आपने अगर late फैसला किया है, it doesn't seem to have that much positive